Hey guys, it's Deana, and today I'm making Mi Quang, one of my favorite dishes to eat. And I'm using my Instant Pot to eat it on a weeknight. This noodle soup originated from Quảng Nam Province in central Vietnam. The main flavors are based off of turmeric and pork bones. Turmeric is also used to dye the rice noodle to give it a golden color. And if you have a noodle maker, you can also make the turmeric noodle instead. Turmeric is a flowering plant that comes from the ginger family. It has many antioxidant abilities like protecting the liver from toxins and one's body from certain cancers. In addition, it has healing properties such as anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Let's get cooking, guys. First, we're going to do a pre-rinse boil of our bones, or in this case, since I'm using the Instant Pot, I'm going to be using baby back ribs. The Mi Quang version that I'm making is served with very little broth. It is a broth that is pork-based, so you can use any pork bone that you want. I'm just making it easier on a weeknight by using baby back ribs because it will double as my soup base as well as my meat. To this, we'll add 1 tablespoon of salt for the pre-rinse boil. Fill with water to cover the meat and bones. Set temperature to high, bring to a boil, and then boil for 2 to 3 minutes before removing from the heat. This process will help remove all debris from the bone to create a clear, beautiful broth. Rinse your bones, meat, or ribs thoroughly under warm tap water, scrubbing really well to remove any blood and debris, loose bones. Set it aside. Let's prepare our aromatics in our Instant Pot to begin the broth. Our Instant Pot on saute to begin our aromatics. Add 4 tablespoons of olive oil to the pot. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Mine is always ready to go. I have it processed and frozen in the freezer. Stir your garlic around to break it up a little bit or separate them. Add 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. One teaspoon of sweet paprika. As soon as the oil begins to sizzle, turn off the saute mode on your Instant Pot. The Instant Pot has great heat retention. We want to prevent the burning of the spices. Mix all seasoning together really well until it is dissolved into the oil. Add in your clean bone, rib, or meat. Fill with hot boiling water to the max line. By adding hot or warm water to the Instant Pot will help it come to pressure faster and sooner on a weeknight. Add 1 stick of palm sugar, a 2-inch ginger that's been split in half, 2 tablespoons of salt, eight to 9 tablespoons of chicken or mushroom bouillon, which is equivalent to half a cup. Stir everything really well to incorporate all the seasoning. Time for the magic to happen. Place your lid on top, secure it, close the vent. Set the mode to soup broth for 25 minutes. Natural release for 30 to 45 minutes. While the broth is doing its thing, let's prepare and soak our noodle in turmeric. Mi Quang is served with thick noodles, so you'll need some dry, thick noodles. Each package will serve 4 to 5 people. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder to a large bowl. Dissolve the turmeric in 2 quarts of hot water and 4 quarts of cool tap water to finish making the soaking bath. Soak the wide noodles for 40 to 60 minutes. Toss occasionally. Let's set it aside for now. As with any Vietnamese noodle dish, it is served with a variety of herbs and vegetable. So here I have some mint, basil, red and green cabbage, bean sprout, and morning glory. Thinly slicing the cabbages will help them soften in the hot broth. Cut lime into individual wedges so that people can serve themselves if they want a little bit of a citrus acidic kick. I also serve chili on the side for people who like a little bit of a heat, and I'm using serrano and Thai chili. You can serve your herbs and vegetable on the tabletop for people to individually customize it themselves, or you can do what I do, which is place it into the serving bowl along with the noodle and the broth. The vegetables and herbs are flexible. You don't have to serve the exact same thing that I have. You can serve whatever you can find or want to eat. Along with the pork meat, Mi Quang is also served with shrimp and quail eggs. I'm using 2 pounds of river prawns today. So in a large skillet, add 3 tablespoons of oil and set the heat to medium. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of crab paste. Once the sizzle starts, add in your shrimp or river prawns. Cook the smaller ones for 4 to 5 minutes and the larger ones for 6 to 8 minutes. The river prawns are fun to have. They're quite large and some of them are as big as the palm of my hand. Remove each river prawn as they finish cooking to prevent overcooking. Set the cooked prawns aside for later. I generally use regular shrimp, so if you're using regular shrimp, you want to put the shrimp into a pot filled with water, bring the pot to a boil. As soon as the shrimp curls up and becomes more solid and opaque in color, it is done. Remove from the heat immediately and into an ice bath to stop the cooking. You want nice, bouncy, chewy shrimp, not mushy shrimp. Between the prawns and the Instant Pot, my kitchen smells amazing. The broth is done. The meat is tender. We're going to add the quail eggs into the broth and close the lid to let the quail eggs warm up a bit before serving. Okay, we have one more thing to prepare before we can dish everything up. Mi Quang is also served with a side of sesame rice cracker. I actually prepare my rice cracker in the air fryer on 350 Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. It will fluff them up, crunch them up perfectly. Check out how beautifully cooked it is in the air fryer. This is such an easier way to make your rice cracker. I'm not burning myself over the stovetop anymore. I'm so excited because now it's time to make our noodles for our individual bowl to serve. I will be using the same water that I soaked my noodle in to infuse the turmeric even more into the noodles. Bring the turmeric water to a boil on high heat. Add 1 serving of noodles to boiling water. Toss it around for 30-40 seconds. The noodles will cook really fast because we've pre-soaked it for 40 to 60 minutes prior. Drain the noodle really well and add it to your serving bowl. Check out how beautiful the noodles look, so golden and yellow. Let's check out the broth. It's clear, it's beautiful, it's got coloring from the turmeric and the paprika. It smells like a beautiful rich pork broth. Pretty good for a weekday Instant Pot pork broth. Finally, the exciting part. The plating, because we're that much closer to the eating. Like I mentioned earlier, you can serve each bowl with a garnish of the fresh vegetable and herbs, or set the herbs on the table for guests to serve themselves and customize it to the way that they want. I also add crunchy peanuts and fried shallot to the top. This will add a nice crunchy texture to your bowl of noodles. Last item to add to this bowl is that nicely puffed up sesame rice cracker. I hope that you have enjoyed cooking with me today, and that you continue to practice to become the master chef in your own home. Thank you for joining me today to make my favorite noodle dish. And I hope that you enjoy this dish as much as I do. If you have enjoyed your time with me, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button below this video. For written recipes, please go to my website and follow me on IG. Until next time, my friends, goodbye.